All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing in this court: to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court and I will make sure it is addressed. Do you understand? And your relationship with her is over. If there's an issue with the children, you need to communicate through a third party. You're not to have any contact with her. You are not to go to her house. If she shows up to your house, it would probably be in your best interest to call the police and say, hey, I have a no contact order with this person and they're showing up to my home. Because if y'all do this thing, which sometimes people do, they decide, oh, we're going to live together. We're just not going to tell the court about it. You know what ends up happening? There ends up being an argument. Then the next thing you know, that person is calling the police. They're going to see that you have a no contact order in place, and that's going to be the end for you. You understand? All right. Good luck. Thank you.
Judge, if I may,
Yes.
briefly, I believe the CW did an affidavit to the states, told them that she had no interest in going forward.
Yes.
He accepted his probation offer. I know that I explained above the line, below the line.
Mm-hmm.
He was really hoping to get out. If you could reconsider the TAP in custody.
That's what I was going to ask you about too. If possibly I can get the TAP evaluation on release at the probation.
No, they'll do the TAP because the TAP may end up recommending that you go to inpatient treatment. I don't know. It's obvious to the court that you have a major drug and alcohol issue, or you say just a alcohol issue, because anytime you get in an argument with someone who's the mother of your children and you pick up a Lysol can and you start hitting her over the head with it, and then you tell me you were not in the right frame of mind. And for you, the right frame of mind or not being in that right frame of mind was I was using alcohol and we both brought up things from the past. That's an issue for the court. And I want to make sure that you have any treatment that you need. It's 2 weeks. All right. And counsel, if for some reason that TAP is not done in 2 weeks, if you come back, then I'll consider releasing him.